First of all, good evening everyone. This is Sonu, this is Jatin, I Pankaj. And today we are talking about screen time. Do you know, everyone know very well, screen time is increasing in our India as well as other countries. So today we are talking about screen time. Do you have any idea about screen time? Do you want to share your experience about screen time?
I have faced many problems of screen times. I have personally realized whenever I free and I will do to study. So I was thinking I will use phone and this is helpful for me in studying timing and today but I will not study for phone and I will use I am using reels and I scroll down reels and I, I can't focus on studies and
Okay, I agree with you. So I have one point. So that time I use my phone. So I saw many things like related to our life and our life experience, like podcast. So and and they will and they will and they will conduct podcast and they learn to that some so we will learn some things.
Okay, let me complete. As Jatin said, whenever he sit for study, so he stuck in mobile phone. Like if I take my example, if I am reading or studying my college, so whenever I read my notebook or notes, so whenever notification is come, so my mind distracted that time and I move there, so it's a bad thing and many kind of distractions happen in our life. And as Sonu said, like he was talking about podcast, so many podcasts happen, many YouTubers or many kind of men talking about screen time nowadays, because it's a very harness for our life, because many kind of radiations occurs in due to screen it causes our birds and many kind of animals they शिकार हो रहे हैं,
they are suffering.
they are suffering. And we also inject, like we have also eyes flu or many kind of eyes disease happens. So but we don't eradicate these screen time, because there are many people like me also and many more my friends earning money by screening. So it is a great thing for our. And do you want any, like, do you want to add some points?
Yes, I want to add some point. So so that we you saw that we use phone. So like as we are earning for screen timing. So this is good. But you said that sorry, screen harm.
Screen hours. Screen is harming.
वो screen is harming. So we have also सर वो होती है चिप, उसको रोकने के लिए रेडिएशन.
हाँ, we can say we have a number of options to.
We have a number of options too, and they go back on.
Let me add one point. As Sonu said, company has launched many adaptable means many kind of functionality add which don't focus,
Affect.
means
Which
don't
doesn't affect your eyes.
doesn't affect your eyes. And they add many kind of क्या बोलते हैं उसको, smoothing, like, so
I think we are having number of options in our phone, like
for
we
like
can.
bedtime mode, night mode, and many kind of modes. Also, so this is a good for us, so we can easily continue our study or any kind of work with your phone, mobile phone. And you have any?
I think I suppose you are going to learning something about phones. So you find number of YouTubers and you find number of such kind of videos. So you will, there are 10 suppose they so there are 10 videos. So there is a 10 videos in a sir 10 में से एक होगी. There is
One of 10.
one of 10 there is a funny video, and now you watch this video for attraction for its thumbnail, and I think that's why people distract for these things.
Yeah, as Jatin said, screen time distracts us also because many kind of distractions occur in our daily life. Like when if I talk about small childs nowadays, small child also used mobile phones, scrolling reels. They waste their times in
And
mobile
they can't
phones.
eat without phone.
And they don't eat without phone. They always asked, give me my mobile phone. After that, I will eat food.
And after that I will study.
Some kind of distractions occur, but I think screen time is also including in mobile phone. So we don't eradicate this because government has also released many kind of schemes which we can access from our mobile phones or screen using screen. So, or as Modi ji said, we want to make digital India, so screen time is also including in digital India. So screen time, I think screen time nowadays screen time is on peak, and many men also earn money from screening. Like if I talk about a small child, so they also earn enough money from screening time, due to screening times. So this is a very great fabulous thing for us.
Do you not think this is bad for us because we are using these type of activities, and we are using mostly times of using making reels and watching reels, and we find number of activities having with us, and if I suppose I example with me, I used mobile. So before I do not use the mobile, and my eyesight was very good, and now I am using goggles. And before I do not use television, and now I am using television, and that's why I think my eyesight was weak.
Okay, I want to some add point. So that time we know all about that their lives, like our PM Modi, celebrities and other people. So now time we are use social media and time on screen. So we all about their lives, what happened they sir, मतलब वो क्या
Let me complete this one point. As he said, I think he want to say like people are more aware due to screen time because we don't go to anywhere. So, but with the help of screen time, we can easily see videos and hear listens about any kind of incident. So, screen time is also aware us, and due to screen times, we have a lot of we have gained lot of kind of benefits from screen. So this is very great for us according to me. But there are some kind of distraction. So this is bad. But it's up to you. You are using this way, like you are using. If you are using wrong way, so this is bad for you. But many people say use for earning money and getting famous, getting some famous and many some kind of types. So this is good for us. And if you want to say add something, do you have any idea about screen time? Like if I talk about me, so currently I am pursuing my bachelor, so I am from computer IT field, so there is necessary screen time because our all work is on screen, so screen is very important for us because if I don't have laptop, so how I will learn coding. So if that's why screen time is important. Like small children's.
But sometimes office employee works on 12 hours on laptop, so they sit down on this position, and they feel very pain on backside, and they feel very bad headache. They feel very headache in
Let me complete. If you are working in any company MNC, so anyone want to pay you, so he want to work he want to work in good amount. So this is bad, but
And they provide also rest for you.
but they also provide weekend holidays and screen time is very flexible because if you are working your laptop, so you can also work from home, but without screen time you have to go that place and you will do work on that place. But if you have laptop or any kind of device, so you can work from your home, so it is good. Like if I have many examples, they don't have to go to any other country, but they are working in our India and they are getting good amount of package. So this is good, and many kind of freelancers are working in our India. They get some money and they pursue their college with the help of freelancing. So this is good, I think. So now
We should know how to end. हमें ये भी पता होना चाहिए हमें ख़त्म कैसे करना है.
So according to us, like screen time is very important. So do you have any question you can share? Like
You can say it was really a fruitful conversation. Both the friend discussed. I hope you must have got it something through our podcast. I hope you will love it. Thank you so much.
So as we have discussed screen time, so I think you got some points, you learn something. So
I hope it is a fruitful.
I hope it is a fruitful. So thank you very much.
Well, clap.